Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Catherine's Corner. We have a small haul for you to see today.
I'll show you guys in a second.
Yeah, they had a new
Okay, these are done.
denim collection. I didn't want the whole collection, but they had a lip product that intrigued me. And then they had a couple other things that intrigued me, so...
Uh-oh, we got an easy box this time.
No, it's not going to be an easy box. They're never an easy box.
They actually are not.
Yeah, you got to pull it up because, see, it's perforated. It'll break.
Dun, 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 dun.
You just have to be
Or
really...
potatoes just weak.
Yeah, you got to be really strong.
That scared me.
Uh-huh.
My guy did the other side.
Yep. E.L.F. boxes. Nobody can get into the E.L.F. boxes.
Oh, so we went to Walmart and I found her an E.L.F. mascara.
Yeah, when we do our next E.L.F. full face, we'll have a full face.
Okay, you gotta fix this.
Do you want to take the co-host?
Yeah.
So I don't bonk her in the head.
Come here, please.
Co-host had a rough morning. She was playing parrot on the potato's shoulder.
And she decided to fall.
Yeah, so she fell onto the floor onto her little puppy head.
Sad.
We were very scared for a minute, yes.
But then she was like, I'm gonna come back. She ran away from me. Oh my goodness gracious. Really? That 2 bucks for like 4 things.
Yeah, that's pretty small. So, first thing that kind of intrigued me was this E.L.F. color corrector. I have a lot of red in my face.
Yeah, we can tell.
And, yeah. So I thought I would try their green color corrector. It was only like $4. And I have a lot of E.L.F. points. So here, put that in the box. So I thought, well, we'll try that. Now I'm not going to put it on now, but see, I got a lot of red on my chin and on my cheeks, and I have this little red birthmark. So I said, well, we're going to give this a try.
So you're going to give this a try too?
Yes, I'm going to give this a try too. This is the other color corrector they had. It's the peach color, and it's supposed to be good for brightening under your eyes. I get so excited. That's going to be last. So when we do our full face of E.L.F., I'm going to try this before. This is the peach one, and we'll try brightening under the eyes with this. So I don't remember what I ordered in here. Oh, I think I do. I remember what I ordered for this.
Have
I think
fun.
I ordered another one of their new lipsticks.
We're going
to save this for Uncle Kenneth. My
goodness.
son is shipping a lot of stuff out on eBay, so we've been saving him. Yeah, they're O-Face satin lipsticks. I got a new color. I got Pleased.
Ooh.
Yes, it sounded like a good color. And they have a thing on the website where you can take your picture and try the lipsticks on.
That's weird. Oh, I can't wait to try that.
And that's a rather pretty color. We're not going to try this on yet because I'm going to try this next one on. This is why I decided to go to the website. This is part of their new collection. This is the Perfect Fit Lip Balm. And this is part of their American Eagle collection. And I don't shop at American Eagle. I'm not an American Eagle girl. When I buy jeans, I buy the Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda jeans. Those are my favorite. That's how they fit.
I have a sister named Amanda.
Yes, she's got
Oh,
a
by the way,
sister.
Emmy's here.
Oh,
She's working outside.
big whoop. This is one of those
What the?
color correcting ones. So you put it on.
That's weird.
I don't want it
Oh,
up
is that
so
like the other
high.
one where it like tints your lips and makes it like pinky?
Uh-huh.
She has another one of those, just not E.L.F. brand, I don't think. We used it a couple days ago. Guys, co-host likes to sit on my Chromebook. Co-host.
You can't do it on camera. You'll have to do it off camera.
I'm still in co-host, my baby.
So we'll give it a minute and see what color it turns.
Oh, you're my baby. Oh, your baby.
It's real.
Look, guys,
real
should we become a
slippery.
parrot? Watch.
It's definitely a lip balm.
Oh my goodness. There's a parrot.
But like says, I'm not an American Eagle fan. I wasn't wanting the whole collection. I didn't need another face mask. Hi, baby. Didn't need another face mask. But I really wanted to try this. It seems like it's turning a little pinky. What do you think? Is it turning pink?
Ooh, that's pretty and glossy.
Yeah, it's very slippery.
Guys, look, she's a parrot. Watch. Oh.
That's my baby.
She's trying to climb up on your
She could
shoulder.
climb on my shoulder. That's how you got in trouble today, is jumping off of shoulders.
Well,
Yeah, there. It's a little bit pink. I don't think it's got a lot of color to it.
What are you doing?
But it kind of,
What are you doing? Boop.
kind of intrigued me a little bit. So I wanted to try that. And I really kind of like the way it feels, nice and slippery. Turn your head, see if you can try it. I want to try the other one.
Girl.
You had to put the box on the floor.
Yes, I did. I want a baby.
Hey, you're kicking the camera.
You're sitting on Megan. Megan Potato.
You can take that.
Dun, dun, dun.
And we'll try the new color here. This looks like a really pretty color.
Hi, co-host. Hi, your baby.
These are not as nice and slippery as the...
Come here, little turd. Oh, you little turd. Girl, what are you doing?
lip balm.
Your dog's weird. Like you.
Oops, get that on. It's a magnetic case.
What are you doing?
But it has a very nice nude color, which I like. That's a good color for me.
Grandma, she's sitting on my hand.
I forget, these were $6 or $8, I think $8. But I have so many E.L.F. points because I bought so much stuff from E.L.F., especially brushes, that
Your dog is
I get like $10 off now with my points.
His
when I
co-host
use.
is sitting on my hand. Please take her.
Did you put it on?
Yeah.
If you cover your eyes up, then you can show your lips. Yeah, I like this color. Very good color for me. So, quite pleased with my little E.L.F.
Sophie,
order.
you gotta be in the frame, baby. Oh, come here. Fine. If you wanna,
Sophie, gotta be in the frame.
fine. Be a parrot. I don't care.
Say goodbye, Sophie.
Bye.
This was just a quick one. And thanks to all who entered the
Okay.
giveaway contest. The winner was selected and the prize has been shipped. So thanks to all who entered. I don't think we're going to do another one till we hit the 5,000 mark. That's going to be a while, but to get the bunny ears down. Happy Easter to all who celebrate. Happy Passover to those who do Passover. And I think there's another Muslim holiday right now too.
Fine, you
so,
can have thing.
yeah, thing. We love Wednesday. Does anyone watch Wednesday? That's a cool show. All right. Thank you for visiting Catherine's Corner and sharing in our little treasures today. Hope you come back and visit again really soon. You have a wonderful day. Bye.